Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking the creative focus. Pick a niche and 3 core themes you can repeat. Once decided, set up your channel identity, name, banner, short bio, and design one thumbnail template so viewers recognize your videos. Next, gather a lightweight kit, a reliable phone or entry camera, tripod, lavalier mic, and 2 simple lights. These let you shoot professional-looking shorts quickly. While assembling gear, script a 15-60-second concept and list required shots so you can shoot efficiently. Now you execute. Block a shot list organized by tight, medium, and wide. Aim for a strong visual hook within the first 3 seconds to retain viewers. Record multiple takes with consistent framing, then import into one editing app and create a template workflow. Trim to rhythm, add jump cuts or smooth transitions, color grade for mood, and layer sound design. Once done, export a preset for vertical and 16:9 formats. Batch shoot and edit several shorts to maintain steady output. Finish by publishing with clear SEO, a punchy title, 3 to 5 keywords, a concise description, and a pinned comment with CTA. Release on a consistent schedule, 3 to 5 shorts weekly, and cross-post to other platforms to amplify reach. Monitor retention and click-through rate. Once you identify what hooks viewers, double down on that format. If performance stalls, troubleshoot, test alternate thumbnails, swap opening shots, and re-edit for tighter pacing. Releasing an improved version can revive a...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.